My name is Janos Levin.
My name is Cesar Cienfuegos.
I am Chef Bob.
My name is Robert Riley.
My name is Andrew Tesher.
My mom actually taught me how to cook at a young age. When most kids were out playing in the fields or in the street, I actually was baking cookies with one of my buddies, and that's kind of where I learned how to cook, was from my mom.
When I reconnected with my father, he was like really into cooking, and it was kind of like how I got to know him better. But also he was like, you'll never learn, you'll never do it. So to be that spiteful like teenager was like, I'm gonna do it better than you and I'm gonna prove it to you. And like 15 years later, I'm still in it.
I've always cooked. I think that it was more a necessity. I have a younger sister. Growing up, my parents were always at work, so we always had to figure something out. I was always cooking and trying things out.
Right now, I would say that I'm really into curries. I'm into yellow curries and red curries, vegetable curries, pork curries. So right now my focus is curries. I'm really enjoying that.
My favorite dish that I'm really known for is my fettuccine alfredo. Real butter, heavy cream, chicken breast. Nothing healthy and good about it, but all fat and delicious.
Anybody who knows me knows it's all about pizza. I'm not a prescriptivist when it comes to pizza. I think all pizza styles and toppings are legitimate. I even put pineapple kimchi on my pizza sometimes.
I'm not like a lobster or shrimp or like crab person. To me, they're kind of like squish.
The one food I've never been able to keep in my mouth or swallow is sea urchin.
I can't do tomatoes most of the time.
A random fact about me is I won a breakdancing competition when I was 12 years old.
I have two beagles. One of them is a pain, but one is 6 and one is 8 months. And it's Indiana Jones and then Henry Matisse.
I don't really want students to know this, but it's been rumored that I'm a huge fan of supernatural romance novels.
The most exciting thing for me about cooking here at UC Davis is not only getting to be able to cook for the students, but the interaction with them. Our nutrition students spend an internship with us and rotate through our kitchen, and sharing our knowledge and experience with them is probably the highlighted, most exciting thing I get to do.
I love working at UC Davis because it brings on, very many different challenges. Things that are local, things that need to be a certain way, things that need to be French, Mexican, or they need to be vegan. I love the idea of having some sort of challenge or pattern you need to follow, but then taking it over and doing your own twist on it.
What's exciting about working at UC Davis is that we're constantly getting better, seeing different students come in each semester, and we constantly modify the menu to make things conducive to our students, and we get feedback from them, and we design the menu to fit what their wants and needs are.